Hello students, this question is from the chapter Power Play of Ganit Prakash book for NCERT. Now the question number 2 is express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors in exponential form. मीन्स नीचे दिए हुए जो भी नंबर्स हैं 648, 405, 540 एंड 3600 को पहले हमको प्राइम फैक्टर्स में बदलना है, फिर प्राइम फैक्टर्स जो आएंगे उसके अनुसार एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में बताना है किस तरह से होगा। सो पहला क्वेश्चन 648 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स हम निकालेंगे। $648. So I will take the prime factors. 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8. Again we will divide with 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12 and 2 2 जा 4. 162, again it will be divided by 2, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2. So now it will be divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 2 21, 3 7 ja 21. 3 3 9 ja 27. Again by 3, 3 3 ja 9. This will be divided with 3. Here it is 1. So factors for this we are getting 2 into 2 into 2 means prime factors equals to 2 is 3 times 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 is 4 times into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Exponential form will become 2 2 2 3 times 2 cube and 3 3 3 4 times 3 4. So in this way this question is solved. Now I will take the question number second, that is 405. So I will take out the prime factors, that is 405. The factors of this will become, it will be divided by 5. 5 8 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5. It is 3, 3 2 ja 6, 21, 3 7 ja 21. Then 3 3 9 ja 27. This 9 we will divide with 3, 3 3 ja 9 or 3 1 ja 3. So prime factors of this 405. So I will write prime factors equals to 5 one time and 3 is 1 2 3 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Exponent form, we have to write answer in exponent form. So exponential exponential form will become 5 raised to the power 1 into, since 3 are 4 times, so this will become 3 raised to the power 4. So this is answer for the question number second, that is 405. Now I will solve the same question number 2, part third, that is 540. We will take out the prime factors. So prime factors for this will become, we will divide with 2, 2 2 ja 4, 10, 1 means 14, 2 7 ja 14, 17. Then again with 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 10 means 2 5 ja 10. Now this will be divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10, then 35, 5 7 ja 35, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9. So here it is 1. So prime factors for this is prime factors equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So exponential form will become exponential form equals to 2 to the power 2 into 5 power 1 into 3 power 3. So this will be our answer. Then the last, that is 3600. We will take out the first exponential form, that is 2, 2 1 ja 2, 1 will become 16, 2 8 ja 16, 0, 0. Then it is 2, 2 9 ja 18, 900. Again it will be divided by 2. This is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. Again we can divide it by 2 only. So 2 2 ja 4. Here it is 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Now it will divide it with 5. We will divide with 5. 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. 5 9 ja 45 and 9 will be divided by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja. So we have divided 3600 and we are getting the prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3. So I will write here prime factors. Factors equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So exponential form of this will become exponential form will become, since 2 is 4 times, so it is 2 to the power 4. 5 is 2 times, 5 power 2. 3 is 2 times, 3 power 2. So in this way, question number 2 is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.